A shocking twist in Pune's rupees 1 crore robbery conspiracy case has taken a new turn right now. What began as an alleged highway robbery near Navle Bridge has now reached the doors of the police department itself. Two police constables accused of being part of the conspiracy have suffered a major setback after Pune's Session Court refused to grant them the interim anticipatory bail. So, what exactly happened and why has the court taken such a tough stand? Let's break it down. The case dates back to July 18, 2026. Businessman Harshvardhan Bhushan Pawar was traveling with 1 crore in cash from Talegaon Dhapade after allegedly being instructed to deliver the money to another businessman. As his vehicle reached Navle Bridge on Siagarh Road, two men on a motorcycle allegedly intercepted the car. Claiming to be the police officers, they reportedly accused Pawar of carrying black money. Moments later, chili powder was allegedly thrown into his eyes and an attempt was made to seize the entire cash which he was traveling in the car. Pawar was then allegedly taken to Shivpur police station while the associate Kiran Apte escaped with nearly 73.5 lakh in cash. Initially, the FIR named a few private individuals. But as the investigation progressed, a far disturbing allegations has been seen that has been surfaced in this entire case. The names of two serving police constables, Pramila Nikam and Ashish Mistry, emerged during the probe. Investigators claim the two officers allegedly protected the man accused and were part of the entire larger conspiracy. Seeking protection from arrest, both the officers approached the Pune Session Court. But their defense was very simple. They argued that they had merely acted on the information about the suspected black money. According to them, Pawar was brought to the police station only for questioning. They denied looting any money and claimed that entire cash remained in the complaint. The defense also highlighted Nikam's award-winning service record and Mistry's clean career, arguing that they had been falsely implicated and at this interrogation that was unnecessary. But the court was not convinced. Additional Session Judge Chaudhary rejected their plea for the interim anticipatory bail. The court observed that the allegations are extremely serious. It noted that the names of both applicants surfaced during the investigation of other accused and that prima facie there is a material suggesting they acted with the same objective as the main suspects and allegedly protected them. The court ruled that there was no justification to grant interim relief at this stage. It also issued a show cause notice to the prosecution, with the matter now scheduling for hearing on August 6th. The order is being seen as a significant development in a case that has already raised uncomfortable questions about the criminal conclusion involving several police personnel. Now we have to see, as we have seen with the anticipatory bail denied, investigators now have a cleaner path to probe the role of two constables in what is fast becoming one of the Pune's most closely watched criminal investigation. Till now, 10 members have been seen in the entire investigation, where 4 have been arrested and 2 constables are still missing. Was this a robbery case or as a police action, or does the investigation point to something much deeper? Now we have to see, as the next hearing is on August 6th, that could provide more crucial answers. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjeet Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.